I've been telling my clients for years that when it comes to persuasive impact, facts tell, stories sell. As a supplement to your technical ability, stories are relatable. They're not filled with jargon, they're not a lecture. And you may notice I do that a lot in the videos we create. Because again, stories are what connect us. Real life scenarios make you more relatable. So make them part of your video marketing strategy. It's so easy to slip into industry jargon and talk about these abstract things. It's a little harder to get personal, but that's what your viewers will remember. In fact, I have to share this with you because recently I was speaking with a coach of ours who shared this great story. One of his clients had mentioned that he had met with a prospective client that was introduced to him. And the advisor asked the prospective client what it was that prompted him to come to that meeting. The prospective client said that I came to the conclusion I was done with my soon-to-be former advisor, and I started asking trusted friends if they were happy with their advisor. It wasn't until the seventh friend that I heard something compelling. That was your client talking about you, and that's why I'm here. That's such a great story. I can assure you that in a week, the detail of the story I told you will be the thing you remember most about this video. If you need some help framing your stories and getting them out there, our friends at Idea to Canter can help you become a video marketing pro.